Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a partial refund on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that someone ordered products from you, but then you happen to run out of inventory on eBay. How do you actually go ahead and refund a partial refund to that inventory that's missing? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. The first thing that we're going to do is hop onto our eBay account, click on sell. Next, you're going to click on orders and then all orders. And then from here, you want to go ahead and find the order that you want to send a partial refund for. So right now I have this name blurred out, but you're going to click on these three dots, scroll down a bit, and then click on send refund. So once you click on send refund, what you need to do next is that you need to insert the amount that you want to refund. So you can see here, this card was bought for $6.85. If you want to send them a $3 refund, you just got to enter 3. And then you'll see that the total refund to the buyer is $3. Click on next, and then there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and send a partial refund on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.